Stuck in Boston traffic, worrying about that urgent delivery? Imagine a courier service that navigates the city's challenges with speed and precision. Getting critical documents across town shouldn't be this stressful. In Boston's fast paced business environment, delays can be costly. From legal documents needing immediate filing downtown to medical supplies vital for Cambridge hospitals, reliable logistics are essential for success and peace of mind. That's where Bocsit comes in. We offer secure, same day delivery solutions tailored for Boston's unique needs. Imagine your package arriving on time every time, whether it's heading to Back Bay or Beacon Hill. With Bocsit, you get real time tracking, secure handling, and insurance coverage, all optimized for Boston's challenging routes. Focus on your business, knowing your deliveries are in expert hands and will arrive safely and on time. Stop stressing about Boston deliveries. Choose the reliable, secure, and fast courier service that Boston businesses trust. Choose Bocsit. Experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your deliveries are in the best hands.